Hey, it's Kayla, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing an easy last minute skull face makeup look. So to do this last minute makeup look, you're just going to mainly need like black and white paint. I'm going to be using the Black's Nazaroo water-based paint, or water activated paint. And then I'm going to be using the Fantasy Bakers palette by Wet n Wild. I am going to start off by doing my base makeup. You don't need to do base makeup, but I'm going to, so I'm just going to like cut that out and we'll start when it's done. So I haven't set my face at all. I've kind of been not doing that lately. I don't know, my skin's a little dry. Not the point. I did like foundation, concealer, contour, bronzer, all the works. I purposely gave myself a little bit of foundation lips because I want to try something. So I actually lied. I'm going to use for the white paint, I'm going to go in with Mehron's Cream Blend Stick because I want to try something. So starting off, I know it's very popular that people will, ideally I wanted to glue my eyebrows down, but that I don't have any glue sticks. I'm going to take the water activated paint from Nazaroo and I'm just going to start, we're going to do like the black part here on the eye, and I'm going to do this swoop. I'm kind of just like drawing like a little circle. Like it's a little bit shaped, but not really. And I'm just gonna reshape this one a tiny bit to match the other one. I mean, they're not always gonna be perfect either. Doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, so I made the one just bigger. Then I'm just gonna fill these in really quick. I also want to line my lower lash line. I'm gonna do the nose next. I think I'm gonna make one shorter. So now I'm gonna take the Mehron Cream Blend Stick and I'm gonna take my pinky finger and I want to see if this works. And I'm just gonna take a little bit on and try to make some like messy teeth. And I'm actually gonna stop there because I should have done the outline first. We're gonna do the part here that comes in. It's kind of like you just follow. So we're gonna start on the temples. I found this like other brush. I'm just gonna take this on my temples here and I'm gonna fill that in. I'm just making almost like a half circle. And you just want to follow like your anatomy here. Like this is one side and this is the other side. And then I'm just going to take it and we're going to go underneath and connect it here. Mine always looks a little funky. This side is just like my worst side. I feel like it's like off because of my face. But I might fix this side quick. And then I'm going to go back in with the white paint and just keep continuing the teeth. And I'm like purposely not doing them super detailed so it's easier to do as like a last minute thing. And I might just like redo the line. I wanted to do a more simple one because when I do the skull looks, I tend to like really overthink them a lot. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and try to fix this a little bit. I probably should have taken this like underneath the teeth. Honestly, I'm feeling a little off with the designs today. But now I'm going to take this more like detailed brush and I'm going to fill in here. Then I'm just going to draw a line to connect it. And then we're gonna like do the loops over the teeth at the top. Just like connecting them. And it's like a little more messy, but we're still getting the point across. Especially if you're really short on time. And then I'm just gonna fill this in really quick using that other brush that I have. not fussing with like my hairline because you're not really going to see that anyway with my hair down. You're tying your hair up, maybe paint a little more into it. But we've got like the general basis, and then I'm going to go in and do a little more detail. So I always like to take the paint and I will just connect this down here. And I always like to just outline my jaw with it. Just like kind of point it off a little bit at the end. I think I did my makeup similar with the one last year that I did. Where it wasn't, I actually connected that one to that one went down to my neck. So it's not the same, I guess. And then I think I'm going to take this and just go up. Just kind of like angling it in a little bit. I'm going to wipe this brush off here so there's not so much paint on it. And I'm going to just take like a little bit of like the watered down paint. And I'm going to kind of just like add a little more detail to some parts. Kind of like that to like outline a little more, and then I'm gonna do the same underneath. I'm making it a little messy because I don't want it to be like perfect. Don't do what I did and they'll get paint on the brush. Might have just messed that one up. Kind of like how that looks. Now I want to go in and I might just like touch up the little teeth with my finger and just go over. Obviously trying to avoid the black paint when doing this. I'm not going to be adding any lashes to this look, but I am going to set this with some black eyeshadow. I'm going to take Wet n Wild's Color Icon palette, and I'm just going to take this new brush that I found when I was decluttering in my video from a couple months ago. And I'm just going to take that black shade and we're going to set all the black paint parts, excluding the line work. This black is all over the place. Lots of fallout. I also just kind of dug the brush into it. So that definitely didn't help. This is why you don't have to fuss with the black paint on your eyelids, because mine will obviously eat it off, as you can see. And this one, it doesn't really matter because I'm going to go back over it with the shadow here anyway. And you can make it messy like that. I didn't mean to do that. But you can make it messier and like go in with the black shadow. You can go in for these areas here and shade them in more. Kind of don't like that, but I don't think I can fix it really. I'm just going to take the shadow then and just go around the teeth lightly. And I think that's it. I'm fighting the urge to add fake lashes. Okay, so I know it's not like the most like crazy detail, but this is supposed to be a last minute school makeup look. I think it's pretty simple. You just need, if you don't even do any foundation, you just need like black and white paint mainly. And the contacts, I think the contacts always pull it together. But that's today's look. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below for more content from me this Halloween season. I'll be doing some makeup looks, video games, and a little bit of baking. Let me know what you think, and thanks for watching.